Hello and welcome to this channel Technical Route. So already from the title you have understood that today's content will be how to upload large memory size files on Google Drive and how to share those files with anyone's email. So just without further delay, let's start it. So just if you want to do that, firstly you have to install an app from Google Play Store, that is Google Drive. I have already installed on my mobile. You can update that if it's already being installed, there'll be no problem. So after installing Google Drive you have to go to Google Drive. So yeah, so that's yes, so now you can see that on the screen that there's a home page of Google Drive. Yeah, that's the home page of Google Drive, and already I have videos pre-uploaded. So if you have to sign, if you sign in, if you're a new user, so you need to sign in with any one of your accounts, and once signed in you will see a home page where there will be no videos. However, there will be an option that is called the plus option on the top right button. So you have to click on that. I've clicked it, and there will be 6 options. You can see folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Reports. And you have to tap on the upload. I have already tapped on the upload. Then it will be redirected to the video. So there's a microphone music orange video. So, and also there's a headphone music hard video. So I will choose the headphone music hard video as a test video, so that I can send it to my test email to show you. So actually this is a test image. You can also send test images, even test videos also. So selecting headphone music hard image, already tapped on it, selected it, and now it's already being uploaded. You can see there's an option already being visible. Now you can see that it's waiting for network. The upload is being paused. This is a glitch sometimes happen. Don't worry, just click on the top arrow at the right of this. You can see this after the cross there is a top right arrow. Click on it if you are using mobile data. If you are using Wi-Fi, then it's okay. So now already being clicked. Now you can see it's uploading. It's taking a bit time. If there is a big file, it will take up more time to upload, but no problem, depends on your network. Already being uploaded, you can see. So just going back now, it will be appearing on the top of this page. However, it's taking a bit time. I will refresh it. There will be no problem. I will refresh now. Just taking a bit time to refresh. Just refreshing it now. Let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see that. Now you can see that headphones music hard is being visible on the top of this page. So already this means that it has been uploaded. Now how to share it with anyone's email. So just you can see the page has been opened. Just tap share, and there's an option called add people or groups. After tapping that, just you have to type the email to which you will send this big file. So just I want to send this to my test email of myself. So as a test to show you, already being typed, you can see on the video. And now there is an option called add a message. So if you want to send any subject related with this, you can already send. So I'm just sending hello. Then there's an option, there's a button, you can see that right corner. Yeah, just tapped on it. Yes, and now the video has been uploaded. Now you can see that the test email can now it just seen it. So which means that the pic has been already being sent to the test email, which means that it has been completely being uploaded and sent. So you can also send this kind of videos or pictures even above 100 MB or 200 MB plus, mainly the larger sizes files, through Google Drive, and you can send that, you can share that with your friend's email or with anyone's email. Obviously there'll be no problem. It's completely easy and completely safe and very easy to use also. So now I'm just going to explain a little bit about Google Drive. So Google Drive actually is being offered by Google, and you can upload larger amount of files altogether here, and there's a limit of 15 GB total storage. Out of I have used already 3 GB, which means I have used 12 GB, 3 more GB left, which means I can upload more 12 GB files on Google Drive. So that is the 15 GB limit on Google Drive. So that's the thing. So it's not to worry, you can easily upload this high sizes files on Google Drive, and it's very easy to use. No problem. And after that, once you have sent, you can already check with your friend that already it has been sent or not. And obviously it is not a difficult process to do this. Just contact your friend, and obviously it will be sent, because Google Drive is very easy to use and very safe to use. So that's it. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and till then stay tuned, and we'll be meeting in the next video. Bye.